Here's how to fix the app not installed error on Android. Now, if you're getting an error message that looks like this, it says app not installed when you go to download an APK file and install it on your Android phone. You can always fix this by hopping out of here, and we'll swipe up to get into your settings. Now, from your settings, all we need to do is scroll towards the bottom. You can see towards the bottom is the apps option. So just tap on the apps section. Now from here, we're going to scroll down until we get to the Google section. So G, and we're going to do two things. First, we're going to tap on Google Play Services. And on here, we're going to disable Google Play Services temporarily. Hit Disable App. And now we will go back out of here and tap on the Google Play Store as well. Within the Google Play Store, we're going to tap on Disable and then Disable. So we've disabled both of those. Now, all you need to do is hop back into that specific app, the APK file, and reinstall it, and it should install normally.